Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy yogurt sauce. Mix plain yogurt with lemon juice, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt, then add chili flakes and smoked paprika. Whisk until silky, tasting as you go to adjust heat and acidity, and add a little water to reach your preferred thickness. Finish with chopped herbs and refrigerate briefly before serving for the best flavor and texture. Start by choosing your yogurt base and the right spice level for your palate. Measure 1 cup of yogurt and set out lemon juice, garlic, chili flakes, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt. Consider Greek yogurt if you want a dip or regular yogurt if you prefer a pourable sauce. Taste frequently and tweak with extra lemon, a dash of olive oil, or a splash of water until the balance sings. Combine your yogurt, lemon, minced garlic, smoked paprika, cumin, and chili flakes in a bowl and whisk until perfectly smooth. Taste early and often, adding more chili for heat, lemon for brightness, or a splash of water to loosen the texture. Stir in fresh herbs at the end and transfer the sauce to the fridge for about 30 minutes to let the flavors marry and mellow before serving alongside your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.